Hi everyone, Keyless Andrew here. Today I'm just doing a LOTO Lock Tuesday video. I've got this BRADY lockout, tag out lock. Actually got a couple of these from GTK Locks. Really awesome guy to deal with, by the way. Actually my first two Lotos that I bought were from GTK Locks. They were the little yellow ones. See if I can find one. There we go. So they were like these ones, the little, I think they're called the compact, which are guttable. And they've got the 888 keyway, that spells ABUS. Let's have a look at this one, shall we? So, some keys, nice green LOTO there, and some stickers. Alright, this one's quite bigger than this one actually, and it's it's an ABUS BRADY, just like this one here. It's the 7140. There you go. So what I have seen these picked on other channels, and this has got the 888 core as well. Just quickly try to show you, which spells ABUS. Not sure if you can see that, but yeah, that keyway actually spells ABUS, which is pretty damn cool. And from my understanding, they are guttable as well, so try to do that. So the bitting on the key, there you can see that. Oh wow, nice gatekeeper there on one with some highs. So it is a 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is a 6-pinner. Wow, nice. And yeah, that should be a bit of a challenge actually. So dead core, no shackle spring, and key retaining, as a lot of Lotos are. And I believe, yes, they are guttable. So we'll have fun with that after we pick it. So, just going to get it into the vise and try to find a tensioner that'll, I think from memory, I think I used one of these guys here, one of the L-shaped sparrows. I used it on the top of the keyway somehow. It's a little, that might work if I'm not touching pin 1. Let's try the smaller one. It's not going to fit on the top, but it does fit there. Maybe I'll use the medium one. So I'm just placing it sort of amongst that warding there for top of the keyway, and so I do have some control for counter rotation. And that, you can see that kick in there is a little bit loose in there, but that's fine, we can deal with that. Alright, I'm just going to zoom in and give it a pick. Alright, so there we go. ABUS BRADY 7140. Might use the lockout buster. Even though this keyway looks really paracentric, it is quite wide. You just have to watch the warding, but if you keep your pick straight, shouldn't have any problems. These are 19 thousandths. So get that out of the way for starters, and let's try to give it a pick. Just turn this around a bit more. There we go. Alright, so work off this angle a little bit. Be a little bit awkward. So pin, I think I just got pin 1 then. That was that gatekeeper. Nothing on 2. 3 is binding. Okay, got some core movement there, very nice. Got spools in them, obviously. That's 4, give me a counter. I think I've just set 4. Okay, that's 5. I'm going to go down the back and work from there. Get a bit lost in there. So, okay, I'm under 6 now, I believe. A little bit of counter. Oh, more core movement. A nice false set now. So 6, now 5 is all the way down the bottom and binding. Giving me counter also. I'm stuck in that warding a little bit. Make sure I keep the pick nice and straight. Okay, that's 5, but I've lost a bit of the false set. I think 6 is falling down, maybe, don't know. Alright, start from the beginning again. So 1 still set. 2's giving me, oops, something dropped. It's like 2, 3, 4. It feels like 5's dropped. 6 is dropped. Okay, so now I'm in a pretty deep false set there, as you can see. So I reckon I've got 1 pin holding me up, so just got to find the pin. It's giving me a counter, so 1 is set. 2's giving me a big counter, don't know about that one. Okay, 3's all the way down the bottom. So 3's dropped and giving me a counter. Oh, and we got an open. Very, very nice. There you go. Alright, so I'm just going to rotate it back. Oh, I can't because it's key retaining. I'll just get out the vise first. So, yeah, that's picked, as you can see. So I need to put the shackle back in because it is key retaining. And rotate it anti-clockwise. There we go. Alright, let's give it a quick gutting. And there's that. And it's open again to get the shackle. Alright, and the screwdriver. Should fit. Yep. Nice. Gee, that's a long bloody screw, isn't it? Just get this stuff out of the way for a second. I believe this should pop out. Yes. Oh, and everything else does too. So you got your 2 ball bearings there, as you can see there. And that should pop out your shackle and your body, so everything comes apart. There's the actuator. That's the internal there. It's just the lock body there on its own. Plastic actuator, 2 ball bearings, and there's a little kick in here, so we'll lock him back up and yep, slide him out. So that's the bottom of the lock there. Alright, and it's got a C-clip on the back, so okay, get the C-clip, get the key. I'll definitely be shimming this because it's got a little lip on the edge for the C-clip, which will definitely get caught up in the drivers if I pull it out without a shim. Okay, follower. Okay, so keeping's facing that way. Yep. So there's your 6 pins. Fully populated 6 pins. And that's how it had to be picked. So get it all, one just a tad. Just try to zoom in here for a second. My iPad will cooperate. There we go. So one just a tad, and same with 6, and the rest were just sort of like a deep one in 4 and 3. Alrighty, let's go back down here, dump the keypins, and we'll have a look in the Bible. 1. So these are, I believe, 2.4mm keypins. 4, 5, and 6. Okay, we get some tweezers. Really long keypin on number 1. Number 6. Alright, so let's get into the Bible and have a look what we got in there. Just going to turn the follower around a little bit. Shim out. Yeah, I really like these locks how you can totally dismantle them and service them or rekey them or whatever needs to be done to them, so they're pretty versatile in that respect. Steel spring and a standard driver in 1. Okay, we got a spool in 2. Another steel spring. Oops. Another spool. So I think we've got a pattern going on here. From what I remember from other videos, I think they're all spools. Sort of like the ABUS 7240 with the standard at the front, then all spools. Even have a similar keyway. Or in some cases the same keyway. 888, which is my favourite ABUS keyway. Yeah, all spools. Well, except 1. So yeah, 1 standard and 5 spools. Standard keepins. I'll just sort of try to tap everything to one side and give you guys a bit of a look. These spools falling down. So they're just standard spools, they're not serrated or anything like that, but yeah, very, very cool pick. Alrighty, I might just zoom out a little bit actually and get some focus on there. Alright, so you can see all standard keypins there, non-tapered, just flat cut on top. Got standard in 1 and then 5 spools, and the springs are all the same, they're all steel springs. So that was the ABUS BRADY lockout tagout lock 7140. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.